Miguel Smith, aka Colors. I've been seeing all the drama that's going on YouTube, and I've seen the betrayal. I've seen all sides of it. Today, I happened to catch your live, and I saw how sad you were looking, how a little bit broken you were looking. You're always such a happy guy that uplift everybody. So, in these times when you've been betrayed and you're getting a little sad because I saw you shed some tears. This is time when everybody else should uplift you because you've uplifted so many people. So I saw the live and I have my YouTube set to autoplay. So whatever video comes up next, I don't know what's coming up. So when your video finish, when you're live today, automatically a video played from a past one of your old videos, and I happened to screenshot some of it, and I want you to see it and just a reminder of the impact that you have on these men, these young men, that you have in your life. So watch that. Sometimes you have to be reminded of who you are because you've uplifted a lot of people. I was in Miami and I was recording something, and this lady asked me, "What are you recording?" So I said, "I have a little YouTube channel, and I was recording Mutabaruka at this Rasta festival." And she said, "You know what?" She said, I'm only subscribed to one person on YouTube, but I'll subscribe to you." She said, "This guy named Kola Smith, she's from Canada, a Jamaican lady," and she said Kola Smith, she said during COVID lockdown that they were all just watching Kola Smith. People were going through depression and them just watch a channel and they just got uplifted by that. So stay the course. Like I said before on your post, the race is not for the swift. It's not a sprint. You're not Usain Bolt. This is a long distance marathon, right? So you stay the course. Endurance is what's gonna keep you going. So big up yourself, continue to do great works, and remember that charity covers a multitude of sin. And with all the commandments that are in the Bible and everybody that's saying whatever, Jesus said the greatest of them all is love. Okay? Love is the greatest of all of them. So I see you show love. So I'm trying to show you some love back to let you know that we're all thinking about you. We're all uplifting you. So stay strong and don't get discouraged or distracted. Keep your eyes on the prize. All right? We're cheering for you, Kola Smith. We love you, your wife, and your children. And thank you for sharing and giving yourself to the world. Okay? Bless up. One love.
Yeah, but I come on this in a big boy, you know? Yeah, that is it. As I want to fuck you one team. Turn off the music a little bit. Let me check you a big boy, you know? Yeah, that is it. As I want to fuck you one team. Turn off the music a little bit. Let me check you, man. Pause the music, pause the music, pause the music. I want to play. Pause the music, come in. The one I want them check in. Pause the pop them. Yeah. Pause the fire. That is it, you know? Yeah, man. You know the thing come down. Check in, man. Check in. Yeah. Yeah. Watch out, man. I want to say a big respect to all our man. They say what go on. Yeah, man. Because we are father for all of them, you know. Best believe it. We are father, we are brother, we are friend, you know? That time, man. Come in! Yeah, show you 32 teeth there, man. Yeah, pick up yourself. Socks, how are you hide, man? How are you there? How are you hide? That is it. Come on, are you supposed to be on the microphone? Go on. Roll it up. Ready, long time? Yeah, man. Enough respect to colors, you see, man. Yeah, man, colors come like my father, you see? Big up yourself, you know, enough respect. That is it. Yeah, man, them man a show it, the road and show us, yeah. Money to make you answer. Yeah, man. That is it, man. And yeah, go and roll it in the same way and put out the work. And you know, say when you put out the work you have to put out, you know. That is it. Yeah, man, big up. You're my father. Take your time, man. Yeah.
You know what I can say? No respect to your father in my place, you know. No thing up. Girl in them, no make sure the next year no pass no. That next year pass no will no get cut off. Girl in pata so. Alright. Alright, and just respect to your fathers, you know? Alright.
Right, yeah, man, just want to say big up to all of the fathers across the world. Yeah, man, and special shout out to Colors, you know, man himself. Go on upon it, you know, big up yourself for the fathers. Yeah, man. Just want to know, say, the Colors, the good youth, help us, and the whole of my people in the community in the future. Yeah, man. Big up. Yeah, man, the people, you don't know, say, I climb, you see it. Back then, like 2001, because I got through a little depression thing, you see it, because 2022, mean. 2021, mean. Because I got through a little depression, you see people, I lost my father from me at 2-year-old, and most of the time, I sit down and I say, I say, when I got my father, I can call daddy or when we could really upon anything. I see it with people because I live with my grandfather, and one at a time I move. Me start like cheap, I start to move all about, and 2022 now, Colors come on in there one day, I go a road, and my phone mash up. And I read the bicycle, and my phone drop it and pocket and mash up. And that's your phone, go back to your phone after. I'm going to go up on the hill and I sit down. So just around through my mind. It's around through my mind, so I just think myself. And so both and socks car Colors now from way at town and things, and I'm going to be antics. I see people, so respect the Colors, see how you can show me right and show me right thing as a father. You see it, they want respect. Yeah. That is it. I want to talk again. Come in, Kunte. Papi. I'm Murphy there. Sorry.
Yeah, you know, so we're not too talkative about what you're going to big up all of your fathers on the block, you know, who watch the stream, see them, you see it. Yeah, man, Colors are real fathers, straight, real fathers. Yeah, man, all of you, they want to get no youth yet. You know, so next year we're not going to check it out. Appear, we're going to be there for the school on this way. Yeah, but for today, yeah, man, I'm here to have the truck.
That is it, man. Come on, Papi. Come on. Yeah.
Big up all our fathers, big up all our fathers. It's the same way, is it? And in general, Colors, what our father this, you know. Yeah, man, if I never feel him, I don't know what my daddy right now to tell you the truth. Big up yourself.
We're for shy, but you know what thing go. We understand what going on, man, you know? He have words, but you don't know what we're talking, you know? But we understand, see you. Big up yourself. Eh? Come in here, boy. Hey, I want thing with them in the shy bad. Yeah.
Yeah. I say big up to all our fathers, them, you know. I say big up to the girl in the same because I was a girl into, you know. Yeah. So I big them up same way. I say big up to Colors same way. People, you know. Every day I used to have the gizzard and rock for me, you know. And I say big up to you, because I know what is a phone me, you know. Yeah. Yeah, big up, man.
That is it. That is it. They don't know. When you find a way, you have to show it and teach it and pass it on. You don't know a thing. You can't keep it for yourself. You see me? Yeah, man. We say ready now, Eddie. Say something, man. Big up on the man. Alright. We're not too pressure. We don't want to go. Selector, run back a track. Yeah, man, so. As me I say, you know, big shout out. All our real father them in that place. So we just go on all the time. We out here without things like now, man. That is it. Whoa.